biggest advantage of bringing a 3D printer in-house is the speed to market. You don't have to wait on anyone else to process what you need. You can throw it onto the printer immediately. You can see the results straight away. The general conception with 3D printers, and it is a toy and it prints out funny dragons, but we can use the same printers and essentially the same tool set to utilize it for our manufacturing process. Traditional methods of getting any prototype done, you go to a sheet metal fabricator, and they'll put you to the back of the line. You have 3 weeks down the chain. So you get a prototype, and if it's wrong, you just go around that circle again. With 3D printing, it turns into an hours or a days thing. So especially having it in-house, as soon as we design it, we throw it onto the printer, we get the result. If it's a very simple bracket, in a couple of hours, maybe 3, and then bring it down here to test it. Shrinking time of development down from, say, an 8-month process, you can condense it down to 4 months. What we'll do is essentially measure up what we've got as information. We'll throw it into the CAD environment, have a bit of an idea of how things could be done. 3D print, test it out, put it onto the ute with the product, go and see if it fits or note any changes. Something this put another hole in it, we'll drill another hole. We can manipulate and mold it to what we want, getting the right size, shape, form, fitment, and then we can return back into the CAD environment just to document any revisions. There's multiple ways we can test something out. If it's in the digital world, we can use FEA or CMS testing, which is putting a force onto something with material properties and see if it breaks. Once we're confident in those results, we can generate a prototype with the same parameters and then put it onto a vehicle and then do a real test with it. Now that's whether we apply real weights to things or whether we stress test it with forces or twisting or turning it. It's that very small lead time from nothing to a known working prototype is what makes HSP very powerful as being a leader in the marketplace for that speed to market, being a good quality product, but also having the ability to be first in line.